Hey guys, welcome to our channel How To Guide. So continuing with our TikTok tutorial series, today I'll be showing you how to crop a video on TikTok. But before we start with the tutorial, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this and hit the bell icon so you do not miss any more updates from us. So now let's get started with the video. So first you'll open the TikTok app and then you'll tap on the plus button over here in the middle to create a video. So here you will upload a video from your gallery, right, to crop a video. So you'll tap on upload and then you'll choose the video you want to upload and then tap on next. So once the video is uploaded, you'll click on this adjust clip option under the filters button. So you click on that, and now what you can do is use this scrolls and just select the part of the video you want to select. So let's say you want to upload only, so if you want to do it if you want the video to be longer, you'll just select it and elongate the scroll. So once you've cropped the video, you click on save, then you'll tap on next, and you'll either post the video or you can just save it to drafts. So that's it guys, that's how you crop a video on TikTok. It's very easy. I hope you like this video showing you how to do that. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.